Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a driver power state failure BSOD error. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Just press enter. After finishing these both commands, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on run. In run window, you just need to type sysdm.cpl. Click on OK to open up. Select the advanced tab under the startup and recovery. Select settings. Under system failure, you just need to uncheck this option, guys. Automatically restart, uncheck it, and then you just need to click on the drop down in right debugging information and select a small memory dump 256 KB. After selecting it, you just need to select OK to save changes. Select OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.